I'm trying to drive hip-hop crazy. Yeah. The 737 got me feeling like gold. In my sanity room. This is my sanity room. Directions, empty out your closet. I swear you got some skeletons just hanging out your walk-in. Perfection, maybe once we reach it, I promise we gon' elevate this motherfucking game. Last night I wrote the best shit ever, you could check it. Girl, I left it right up on your dresser, next to all you pretty sexy things. And everything is empty glass bottles and the notes that never made it. Cause that wave never waved, so that ocean never gave it. And my heart is navigated, but that fence is hard to climb. I got my own fucking opinions, I swear yours will get no shine. I swear I am the greatest. I know about religion, I just pray that you can take it. My motives, well fuck that, I'm just trying to keep it real, so